The footage shows a worker in high-visibility gear standing directly in front of a large cement mixer. Positioned in the driver's blind spot just below the windshield, he remained invisible to the operator, who began to move forward. This sudden movement knocked the man down and swept him under the vehicle. In a heart-stopping moment, he narrowly avoided the heavy tires and crawled out seconds later. This terrifying near-miss highlights vital safety rules. Always respect the no-zone blind spots of heavy trucks and maintain a safe buffer of at least 10 feet. Never assume a driver sees you. Instead, establish clear eye contact and wait for a signal before crossing. On job sites, staying alert and following designated walking zones is the only way to ensure everyone stays protected. When working around heavy machinery, always stay visible and stay back. Safety is the top priority. This video captures a high-risk incident on a construction site where a worker engages in extremely hazardous behavior. Standing precariously on the narrow edge of a high concrete wall without any safety harness or protective gear, the individual attempts to dismantle wooden formwork. Instead of following standard safety protocols, the worker uses a crowbar with excessive force and a total lack of control. This sudden movement causes him to lose his balance, resulting in a dangerous fall into the deep construction pit below. This footage serves as a stark reminder of why occupational safety and health standards are vital. Neglecting safety procedures, especially when working at heights, leads to avoidable accidents. Prioritizing safety is about ensuring every worker returns home to their family. Remember, no task is so urgent that it cannot be done safely at all times. This footage captures a severe workplace incident where a worker moving along metal pole vertically failed to notice high-voltage power lines overhead. As metal is a highly efficient conductor, a massive electrical discharge instantly traveled through the pole, causing the individual to lose consciousness immediately. This tragic event highlights the extreme danger of failing to maintain a safe distance from power grids. To prevent such accidents, always scan the overhead area before handling long objects like ladders or rods. Remember the buffer zone rule. High-voltage electricity can arc through the air without direct contact. Always use certified non-conductive safety gear and maintain a distance of at least 30 feet from any downed lines. Prioritizing situational awareness is the key to survival.
This footage captures a terrifying close call involving a tractor and its operator. While attempting to start the vehicle from the ground, the tractor suddenly surged forward because it had been left in gear. The movement was so sudden that the individual was unable to move out of the way, ending up directly in the path of the massive tires. Fortunately, due to quick reactions, they survived this harrowing ordeal. This serves as a vital safety reminder. Always verify the gear shift is in neutral and the parking brake is engaged before starting any engine. Never stand directly in the path of a vehicle while performing maintenance. Stay to the side to avoid sudden movement. Operating heavy machinery requires strict adherence to safety protocols, as a single moment of distraction can lead to life-altering consequences. Always prioritize safety to protect yourself and others. This footage captures a terrifying close call involving a tractor and its operator. While attempting to start the vehicle from the ground, the tractor suddenly surged forward because it had been left in gear. The movement was so sudden that the individual was unable to move out of the way, ending up directly in the path of the massive tires. Fortunately, due to quick reactions, they survived this harrowing ordeal. This serves as a vital safety reminder. Always verify the gear shift is in neutral and the parking brake is engaged before starting any engine. Never stand directly in the path of a vehicle while performing maintenance. Stay to the side to avoid sudden movement. Operating heavy machinery requires strict adherence to safety protocols, as a single moment of distraction can lead to life-altering consequences. Always prioritize safety to protect yourself and others.
This video showcases the professional removal of a massive, partially decayed tree limb that posed a significant falling hazard to the surrounding area. Utilizing a specialized pole saw, the arborist carefully executes a controlled cut to safely detach the heavy branch from the main trunk. Upon impact with the ground, the limb releases a substantial cloud of dust and organic debris, clearly illustrating the dangerous extent of the internal rot. Managing large, Unstable tree limbs, especially those with structural decay, is a high-risk task that requires technical expertise and proper safety gear. To prevent property damage or unexpected accidents, never attempt to remove large branches on your own. Always hire a certified professional arborist who has the training to handle the job safely. This short but impactful video serves as a powerful reminder of the critical importance of workplace safety. In the footage, a worker places himself in a precarious position by standing on the very top of a ladder without proper stabilization or safety equipment. This lapse in judgment quickly leads to a loss of balance, resulting in a serious fall to the floor. Fortunately, the spirit of teamwork shines through as a colleague immediately notices the accident and rushes to help. Instead of hesitating, he and others in the vicinity quickly gather to provide support, demonstrating the vital role of a proactive safety culture where employees look out for one another. Following the impact, the individual appears to be in significant distress and has limited mobility. This moment underscores a crucial safety protocol. In the event of a fall, it is essential to seek professional medical evaluation rather than attempting to walk it off. While the immediate support from his coworkers provided comfort, professional care is the necessary next step to ensure a proper recovery. This incident is a sobering lesson for everyone. Never take shortcuts with safety. Adhering to safety regulations is not just about personal protection. It is about ensuring that everyone goes home safely at the end of the day. Let this serve as a cautionary tale that a single moment of carelessness can have life-altering consequences. This incident at a construction staging yard serves as a stark reminder of the critical importance of workplace safety. While attempting to lower heavy-duty loading ramps on a transport truck, a worker underestimated the weight and momentum of the equipment. Upon releasing the safety pin, the massive metal structure swung down violently, pinning him underneath. This highlights why maintaining a safe clearance from the line of fire is vital. One should never stand directly beneath gravity-fed components. Proper training on equipment stability and recognizing danger zones is essential to prevent such accidents. Using mechanical assists rather than physical strength is necessary when handling industrial loads. Ultimately, following established safety protocols is never optional, as no task is urgent enough to justify bypassing measures that protect human life. This footage captures a typical workday at a lumber warehouse on October 19, 2020. As the team carries out their daily tasks, such as moving materials and operating heavy machinery, an unexpected incident occurs when a large pallet of wood tips over from a forklift and strikes a nearby worker. Fortunately, the individual avoided serious harm, but this serves as a powerful reminder of how quickly things can go wrong in high-activity environments. To prevent such incidents, it is vital to follow protocols and adhere to all safety regulations. Workers must maintain awareness by keeping a safe distance from moving vehicles and staying clear of potential fall zones. Wearing proper gear like hard hats and high-visibility vests is essential. Always secure the load by ensuring pallets are balanced before transport. Let's prioritize safety to ensure everyone returns home safely.
This footage captures a serious industrial accident at a woodworking facility, serving as a stark reminder of why safety protocols are non-negotiable. While attempting to transport a massive stack of plywood, a forklift operator experienced a catastrophic load failure as the unstable materials shifted and collapsed, pinning the worker beneath the weight. This incident highlights the critical importance of maintaining strict safety standards in any production environment. To prevent such occurrences, essential measures include strict adherence to safety protocols like wearing PPE, performing rigorous daily equipment inspections, and maintaining 360-degree situational awareness. Furthermore, comprehensive safety training ensures operators understand load-bearing limits. Workplace accidents happen in a blink when safety is overlooked. We must stay committed to professional vigilance.